Not all questions are meant to be asked, but to find ones that should have stayed buried. This is Answer Gear.
Science fiction has promised us woolly mammoths, saber-toothed tigers, and maybe even dinosaurs. But is de-extinction actually possible? Scientists are actively working on bringing back some extinct species, yes, really. But the ethical and environmental consequences could be huge. And even if we can bring them back, should we? Let's break down the science, the risks, and the reality of resurrecting extinct species. The short answer, yes, but it's complicated. Bringing back extinct creatures isn't as simple as finding some old DNA and hitting Ctrl+Z. Here's why. We need intact DNA. The older the species, the harder it is to recover usable genetic material. Sorry, dinosaurs. Cloning isn't enough. Scientists need a closely related species to act as a surrogate parent, not a perfect copy. Even if we succeed, the revived creature might not behave exactly like its ancestors. So yes, some species might return, but it won't be an exact revival, more like a genetic remix. The science behind it, how de-extinction works. Scientists are testing 3 main ways to bring back extinct species. Selective breeding, breeding modern animals to recreate traits of their extinct relatives. Gene editing, splicing extinct DNA into a living species to recreate an ancient creature. Cloning, the classic sci-fi method, though it requires a well-preserved DNA sample. So far, the woolly mammoth and passenger pigeon are top contenders for a comeback, but will it actually work? The risks and ethical dilemmas, should we even try? Even if we can revive extinct species, that doesn't mean we should. Here's why some scientists are hesitant. Ecosystem disruption. Reintroducing a long-gone species could throw modern ecosystems into chaos. Playing God? Should humans be deciding which species deserve a second chance? Limited resources. Would reviving extinct animals take funding away from saving endangered species? Bringing back the past is exciting, but it could also cause more harm than good. The real Jurassic Park problem, could we control them? Even if we succeed in reviving extinct animals, there's another problem. What if they don't stay in their designated enclosures? Modern environment shock. The world is completely different from when these creatures last roamed. Would they even survive? Unintended mutations, splicing DNA together, could lead to unpredictable traits or even new species entirely. Human interference. Would revived creatures be treated like science experiments, zoo attractions, or something worse? Bringing back mammoths sounds cool until one escapes and tramples your car. Final thoughts. Would you want to see it happen? So will we see a real-life Jurassic Park? Probably not. But could we actually revive species like mammoths or dodos? That's a real possibility. If you could revive one extinct species, which would it be? Would you visit a de-extinction zoo, or does this sound like a terrible idea? And most importantly, how long until someone makes a terrible mistake? Let me know what you think, and if you enjoy deep dives into weird science, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because who knows what science will bring back next.